Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. What adventure are we doing today? We're heading down to Springbrook National Park, just on the border of New South Wales and Queensland. So we're gonna go down there and check out some waterfalls. So let's go! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have made it to Springbrook.
Today, Junior?
Springbrook Falls. The lookout's only 100 metres from here, so let's check out the lookout. And then we're going to hike on down to the bottom of the falls. Alright, well I guess part of it's closed, so... Ladies and gentlemen, the falls. A bit annoyed that we can't do the full circuit though. So I want to go all the way around that way and come down here. I'm going to go that way, around, down the stairs to the bottom. Whoa! No, that's cheating, mate. You've got to walk it. Get back up there. Go on, get. Let's do it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for the switchbacks. Now this is going to be fine going down, but the problem is because they've closed half the track, it means I have to come back up this way. So as I always suggest, go clockwise down so you don't think to do any of these stairs or switchbacks on the way back. But they've closed a part which hasn't got it. So this part will be okay. I'll relax down when I get down there, and then I'm going to dread coming back up. Let's do it. beautiful, spectacular, very wet, so try not to slip. So we're just up there. Ladies and gentlemen, while my other camera is doing a time lapse of this beautiful waterfall, I'm going to put this vlog on the Fusion here. Now, I'm not sure how well you'll hear me. It's quite a loud environment here. Absolutely amazing. Beautiful hike down, cool breeze. Dreading the hike back, not thinking about it. It's been great, but I must head up now, and it's going to be a killer. So to save you watching me sweat and get all sweaty and gross, let's do a little click and I'll be at the top. Ready? Alright, quick 4K down the road driving, and we've come to the Talabanana.
I'm a banana, I'm a banana.
Picnic area, which is the start of the Twin Falls little trek. So, I only got an hour. This is meant to take an hour and a half. I have an hour till I need to head back to Brisbane and pick up Emma from work. So let's try and do this, because I want to take the Fusion into the waterfalls, because part of this track goes through the waterfall. Let's try not to get lost.
It's me and you, both speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna place it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. Regrets, girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not.
Guys, this is awesome. Absolutely worth a quick rush down here. I need to rush back now to go pick up my wife. So this is Twin Falls. The other one was Hurling, I believe. 3 waterfalls in 2 hours. Let's head back, pick up the wife, and go out for dinner. Alright, thanks for joining this quick adventure. I'm going to finish the video though over there so you can see this waterfall. Ready? Alright guys, so I'll see you in the next adventure. Thanks so much for joining me, and don't forget to subscribe.